Hi guys, it's me again, Rafael Huber. But first of all, don't forget to subscribe me on my YouTube page, Rafael Huber. And first of all, I will show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. And this is sometimes it's really hard, but for me it's just little hard for me. So I will shuffle it. So let's shuffle. See. First of all, if you know how to solve one color, just solve the white. If you don't know how, just follow this algorithm. So this first solve the first cross. Like that, see? I'm solving the first cross. Like that. See, the first cross is solved. So you need to solve is the sides so that you can solve the first layer. I will show you how to solve the first layer. Do you see this? White, red, and green. So there is the white. So you will have to go to the color. Here, it's white, green, and red. So this one, it should be go in this side. Here, see, the side is here, right? You have almost got the first layer. Just do it again and again. If it is wrong, this side on the middle, you should have to change it where the color is arranged. Here, I have solved the first layer. Look. Did you see that? It's the first layer. So, you will have to do the second layer. Here. Do you see this? If you have this, okay? Did you see this orange and green? Am I right? Any kind of color. Just solve the white cross and the first layer. Just do it again and again until you accomplish it. Do you see this? Right? The orange is is down and green is up. So this orange, you will have to put this on the upper, at the upper of the orange. Then if you have that, go to the color green because it's green, right? Here, like that, here, because here is the orange. Okay, so do this algorithm. Down, left, up, left, down, right, up. Did you see this, right? The green is in the orange. Just like you're solving the second layer. Just, if you don't memorize it, just watch again and again what I'm doing, okay? I'm just gonna solve fast the second layer so that we can move on onto the third layer. Here, I have solved the second layer. Did you see that? So now, for now, we're moving on the third layer. So, if you have this one like that, you will have to go not on the right L. You should have to go on the wrong L. Because the right is like that, and the wrong is like that. So, you will have to go to the wrong. Did you see this orange? If you have that, go to the orange one. Okay? Then, there you have it. The wrong L. You will have to do this algorithm. Down, down on the left, left on the down, right on the down, and up, and left to the on the down, then up this, then go it on the unexpected area. Did you see this? Right? If he don't have some beside him color, example, orange and blue, just do it again and again, okay? Sorry, it's my fault. You should have to do this one. Sorry, it's my fault. Like that. Did you see? The orange, the wrong L. You will have to do this. Down, down on the right, then here, down on the left, face here on the green side, down, down on the right, then right on the down. This two white, you put it on the up. So, also here. Did you see? If you have this straight line, just do that algorithm. Here, I have do this. Orange and blue. See? So I will turn it here. Did you see that? The blue is beside the orange. So if it is wrong L, do the H that I was wrong last time. This down on the left again, right down, left right, up on the left, right on the right, up, then turn it right again. If it is L again, just repeat that algorithm until it's crossed. Wait, I'll be right back. Hey YouTube, I'm right back. So, repeat that algorithm again. Here, I have built the white cross. Oh, I mean yellow cross with orange and blue. See, a cross. It's a cross. Okay, then we will have to move on the third layer. So, did you see blue and orange? So we're gonna move on the green. Okay, we're just gonna do this one algorithm. Down on the right, twice on the right on the down, and up on the right, and right again on the down, and down on the right here, and right on the down. So you can up this again and turn it again on the right. Here, see, all of them have a cross, 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 and cross. So we're gonna move on the fourth layer. The sides. We're gonna look on the sides, not in here, okay? So we're gonna choose which one is correct. Here, I have one correct. If you don't have some correct, just do the H that I've taught last time, okay? So, here, did you see this? Red, it should be here, and green, it should be here, and yellow, it should be here, okay? So, the right should always be on the right side, okay? So, we're gonna do the H last time that I taught to you, okay? Down, left on the down, right down, down on the right, and up. Then put this white and put it up. So put it again so that it will not be messed. Here, we're almost solved the Rubik's Cube. It's the last algorithm of all. If all sides are correct, did you see this? Green, yellow, and red. Red, blue, and yellow. See, it's right. It's right, okay? Orange, blue, and yellow. It's right. Green, yellow, and orange. See, it's right. So, we're gonna do the last layer. See? Did you see this? Just do this algorithm so you can solve the Rubik's Cube. This one. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Just don't forget the right. You should have to solve this yellow part, okay? If the yellow part is solved, don't forget to move the right one so that you will have no mistakes, okay? Just repeat it. You will not move like that. Just stay on that part that you solve. Just do this. Just move the upper part, okay? Just do it again. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up. Don't forget the right, right. Then turn the upper. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Right. So, move the upper again. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. There you go. You have solved the Rubik's Cube. If you don't know how, just watch and watch and watch my video. And first of all, don't forget to subscribe. Okay? For me, I just learned again and again and again. I have 2 weeks to practice. I just want you will have to practice the second layer first. Don't practice the third layer so that it will not be messy. Okay? Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.